If you see that, you know what I wanted to say. I mean, this one is outstanding. Hello guys, I'm Noisy, warm welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing unboxing. We will unbox all these high-end parts for the Unicorn build, and in the next videos we will install them bolt by bolt, nut by nut. After that we will have a full picture and you will be able to see what kind of Unicorn monster we have built. I will start with the smallest and cheapest parts, after we will continue with the bigger and more expensive parts. Okay, let's go with the video. First we have grips for our handlebar from Six-Pack Racing, very nice grips and in same time very soft for our hands. They have blue rings with lock-on system and they are perfect for everyday ride. I have used Six-Pack in the past and I must say excellent brand for grips and small parts. You won't make mistake with them. Also we have nice stickers from Six-Pack Racing. Next we have spacers for our fork. So here are our spacers for the fork. Okay, so we have pro spacers. There was a review about the spacers, so they said they are so quality. Next thing we have the cell. We have VTB, also high-end, but just to open. Let's see, like this. Okay, so here is the saddle. This saddle is soft saddle and has chromoly rails and also has comfort zone, so it's very nice. Next we have what we have next. Okay, the pedals. We have some nice pedals from Nukeproof. Just to open them so you can see. And here we have the Nukeproof Horizon Enduro downhill pedals, made with a durable aluminum platform construction. They are more than prepared to handle all the challenges you can throw at it. These pedals are forged, making them durable, and the CNC machine process ensures they are lightweight, so you don't have to worry about adding weight to your hardtail or full suspension ride. So we have the #1 pedals for downhill and enduro here. So for next we have Sram dub bottom bracket. Very important, this is a dub standard special bottom bracket for Sram GX. To install this bottom bracket you will need a special wrench from Sram. The thing is, I looked everywhere to find this wrench, but almost in every online bike shop it was out of stock, so I was in a hurry. I didn't have enough time to wait for stock and I ordered another bottom bracket from Nukeproof, a dub one that fits the Sram GX cranks, and plus I have wrench to install this bottom bracket from Nukeproof, so I finished it here with one extra plus bottom bracket. So if you need a bottom bracket for Sram, let me know. What I told you. So this is the difference. This is the for the standard wrenches and these are for the special dub wrench from Sram. So okay, here we have the bottom brackets. This one we won't use now. We will use them for another build. Next we have such a nice cute seat clamp from Reverse Components. This one is kind of special. I wanted to be the bike with two colors, blue and black. Small mistake, it should be blue, but okay, we will see what will happen, or I will order a new one, blue one. Next we have Spank. So Spank, okay, what? Oh, the stamp card, looking nice, perfect. Just open the stamp. So, oh, this is perfect. Double color, so one side black, the other is blue. This is very strong stamp. So this is one for 35mm handlebar, and also the fitting is standard for the forks, if you can see. Nice. We have the headset. This one is for dartmoor. Also we have two stem caps now. This is the headset for the frame. It has industrial bearings, if you can see. Yeah, it's nice. What we have? This is from Fun. Oh, we have the chain guide. So this is adapter for the other dual standard if you haven't fittings for the chain guide. This adapter you are putting before in the middle of the bottom bracket and the frame, and then you can install the chain guide. So this is our chain guide. Look at this, guys. It's fun zipper. It's very, very nice and strong. It has also high can finish, and look at this. This is fantastic. So this is our chain guide. So this one are hopes. Let's open it. So this one is 220 millimeters. This is the front rotor, if you can see. Okay, I will put this one here. Also, we have a rear rotor also from Hope. This one is 203 millimeters. So I will put it here. The seat post is from Raceface, and this one is turbine. So it's, I think, double, triple butted, who knows, but it's also high-end part. Okay, next we have the handlebars. The handlebars are also from Spank. Look at this, guys. This is perfect. Zip ties. Okay. Nice. So this is our handlebars. I mean, they are so nice. Also, we have the same, almost the same blue color. It's not the same, but it's same with the stem, if you can see. Okay. These are 35 millimeters. It's also 800 in width, and RIC it's 60 millimeters. So this is a very nice handlebar. I mean, I love it. Okay. Also, we have a free mudguard from Spank. This was with the handlebar. So next thing what we have is we have a chain here. It's from GX for 12 speed. Guys, are you ready? Okay. What? Oh, wow. What a nice packaging. Look at this. Oh, this is the rear derailleur. Look at this. Oh, this is fantastic. This is Sram GX Eagle technology. Okay. I will put it in the box because there is oil on it. Okay. What we have next? Also Sram GX. Oh. We have another. Oh, this is the shifter. This is perfect. Okay, I will put this one aside because there is oil here to don't make mess. Next we have the crank. So, wow. Perfect color. Nice finish. This is the other crank. Okay, I will put back in the box because also there is small oil here. Also we have oil here to don't make mess. Oh, okay. Instruction manual. Oh, oh, what is this? Oh, oh man. Oh, this is big. This is huge. I can't describe this. I didn't have a bigger one than this one. I mean, this is the limit. So I will put it back because there is also oil on this little bit. Okay, and we are coming to the end. Now we will open the fork. Do you know what we have here? We have here the Bomber Z1, not the standard one. This is level with air pressure, so we have one chamber only for pressure. So this one is Hagen fork. It's 180 millimeters. Look at this. His Majesty, the Bomber Z1, 180. This is awesome. Every detail on this one is outstanding. Look at this. The stickers. Okay guys, before I finish I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Peace.